So now let's see how we can go ahead and utilize knife tool in Affinity. So to go ahead and utilize knife tool, I need to go ahead and have a shape first that I can use the knife tool with. For example, I can go ahead and let's say for example bring in the double star right here just like this, and let me just go ahead and fill it out with a color. So now let's say what I actually want to do is utilize knife tool right here to go ahead and cut this shape into. In that case, I can go around over here on the left, and let's see where there is the knife tool right here. So you can see that I have like node right here and so forth. So let's just go around over here onto knife tool. So under the pencil, you can see the knife tool right here. So now the shape must be selected for this. And as the shape is selected, you can go ahead and click and drag around the shape right here where you want to cut it out, enclose it, and then you can see that there's a cut. You see a cut right here. So now you can go ahead and use the move tool right here, and you can see that they have been divided into two layers now, and you can separate them out. Let me just go around over here onto the curve section, and let me just go around over here onto knife tool, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here and click and drag this around right here just like this. So now I can go ahead and select out the move tool, let's say for instance right here, and then I can select out this particular tool right here. So seems like I haven't actually made a cut, so it is simply overlapping, so that is why it is not working. So let's use the knife tool right here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to press Ctrl Z, and this time right here, let's just press Ctrl Z right here. Now I'm going to select out the curve, click and drag around and make sure that it is enclosed out right here just like this. And once that is done, you can see that I can now bring this out now. So apart from that, in the knife tool, you can also go ahead and use a stabilizer so that you can go ahead and have a more stable drawing when you go ahead and cut out as well. So just like this, you can see that this layer is selected, so I can go around over here and then select this out, and now what happens is that you can see that this is a separate layer just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the knife tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.